How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Good morning.
Good morning to you, too.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
How was your day?
It was great.
Are you free today?
Yes, I am.
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How's everything?
Everything's fine.
How's your family?
They're doing well, thank you.
How's work?
It's busy but okay.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
What did you do today?
I went shopping.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
What are your plans for today?
I'll visit my grandma.
See you later.
See you.
Take care.
You too.